What if I told you? You don't need to be rich to start investing. You don't need to be a Wall Street genius, a finance major, or have thousands of dollars sitting in your account. In fact, the biggest mistake beginners make is waiting too long to start. Here's the truth. The people who build real wealth in America, the ones who break free from paycheck to paycheck living, don't do it through saving alone. They let their money work for them. And that's exactly what this video is about: investing for total beginners. Explained simply, clearly, and without the confusing jargon. Let's break it down. Step 1. Understand what investing really is. Investing is not gambling. It's not throwing your money into something and praying it grows. Investing is a long-term strategy where your money earns more money over time. Imagine planting a tree. At first, it's just a seed, but year after year, it grows. And eventually, it gives you shade, fruit, and stability. Step 2. Start small, but start. A lot of people wait until they have enough money to invest. But here's the secret. Time is more powerful than amount. Someone who invests $100 a month in their 20s can end up with more than someone who invests $500 a month in their 40s, all because of compound growth. Even $5 or $10 a week can make a difference if you start early. Step 3. Know your basic options. You don't need to know everything, just enough to make smart moves. The most common beginner-friendly investments in the U.S. are index funds and ETFs, low-cost, diversified, and historically proven to grow over time. 401k or IRA. Retirement accounts that help your money grow tax-free or tax-deferred. High-yield savings and fractional investing apps. Perfect for dipping your toes in without a huge upfront cost. You don't have to pick the perfect investment on day one. Just picking something simple and steady already puts you ahead of millions who do nothing. Step 4. Automate everything. Set up auto transfers every month, even if it's a small amount. The less emotion you attach to investing, the more consistent you'll be. Wealth grows quietly in the background when you stay disciplined. Step 5. Play the long game. Investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building wealth slowly, steadily, and securely. There will be ups and downs. The stock market moves like a roller coaster, but historically, it's always gone up over time. Don't panic. Don't chase trends. Stay the course. Imagine this: 2 versions of you. One keeps waiting until the right time. The other starts investing even just $50 a month today. Fast forward 10 years. The second version isn't just surviving. They've built wealth, peace of mind, and real freedom. And yes, it's okay to feel nervous when you start. Everyone does. But that first step is what separates dreamers from doers. So here's your action plan. Pick one beginner-friendly investment platform or account. Decide on an amount you can comfortably invest every month. Set it on autopilot and let time work its magic. If this video helped make investing feel less intimidating, smash that like button, comment "I'm starting today," and subscribe for more simple, powerful money tips every single week. This is your moment. Not tomorrow. Not someday. Start now. Let your money work for you.